Enable frame blending allows for a smooth out motion depending on how frames are blended for video in After Effects when working with time remapping or time changes. Time remapping is the function you may enable by right-clicking on a layer, going to Time, then enable time remapping. And it's giving us these keyframes at the beginning and end of a layer. For example, adjust the speed of a layer with slow motion by dragging the keyframe further apart, and fast motion by pushing them further together. When frame blending is enabled, you see the icon over here turn blue, and the same icon used to faster toggle or change between the frame blending being switched on or being switched off. Enable frame blending for each layer you want to apply to by clicking over in the box here and giving two types of options for frame blending, except for the one to have it turned off. Either click once to enable frame mix with this icon showing, or click another time to enable pixel motion. Frame mix combines parts of current frames with parts of the next frame. It essentially overlays frames to be on top of each other and blending them together to reduce the appearance of abrupt changes, overall making a more smooth looking motion. Pixel motion makes motion look smoother by blend frames when there's no motion and create frames when there is. Depending on your needs, one of them might be more suitable than the other one. Frame mix might be enough for those simpler speed adjustments and will take a little bit less computer power, while pixel motion might be needed for those higher quality smoothness, although requires a little bit more computer power and will be longer renderers. So experiment a little bit with both of them and see what's most suitable for your needs.